Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the top secret downloader codes for an IPTV app. Before starting the video, make sure that you have liked the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. So let's start the video. First download the downloader app. I have already downloaded, then I open it. Now just wait for it opening. Now click on search bar and enter 298344. Wait a second. Now they take 5 seconds, then they give you the best IPTV apps to watch IPTV subscription on it. Now you can see the all apps on it. Kodi, IPTV Smarter Pro, IPTV Extreme. To download any app, click on the app that you want to download. I want IPT Smarter Pro, then I click on it. Now you can see that the IPT Smarter Pro is starting installing. Now you can see that the IPT Smarter Pro is started. Thanks for watching.